Do you want to draw a line in Instagram story? You can draw in an Instagram story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To draw a line in an Instagram story, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in Instagram, tap on your story at the top left of the screen or swipe right from your feed to open the story camera. Now, take a new photo or video, or choose one from your gallery to use as your drawing background. Once the content is added, tap on the three dots icon at the top of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear. Select Draw from the pop-up menu. A drawing toolbar will appear at the top with different drawing styles and brush options. Select the style you want to use. You can also choose the line color by tapping on the color palette. To adjust the thickness of the line, use the slider on the left side of the screen. Now, use your finger to draw directly on the screen. You can create straight lines, shapes, or doodles. If you make a mistake, tap on the undo arrow or use the eraser tool to remove part of your drawing. Once you're happy with your drawing, tap on the tick button at the top right. Finally, tap on your story or close friends to share it.